Every single one of us has our own internal clock that dictates how we live our lives. It tells us when to go to bed and when to wake up, when to eat and when to exercise. But what happens when this internal clock goes wrong? What happens when it starts ticking backwards? He was the kind of person who always seemed to be in a hurry, rushing from one meeting to another, never taking a moment to appreciate the beauty around him. His life was all about numbers, profits and losses, sales and marketing strategies. But deep down, Philip wasn't happy. Despite having achieved everything he had set out to do, he couldn't shake off this persistent feeling of dissatisfaction. Well, today we're going to find out exactly that. He started to see the world with new eyes, finding beauty in the simplest things. He began taking long walks in the park, reading books he'd been meaning to get to for years, and spending time with loved ones. But when he got there, he discovered that the shop had closed down, and no one knew what had become of its owner. Desperate to reverse the changes, he searched for answers, consulting doctors, scientists, and even spiritual healers, but no one could help him. They either dismissed him as crazy or took advantage of his desperation. In many ways, it was like he was experiencing life for the first time. He was losing his grip on reality and didn't know if he could ever get it back. Intrigued, he stepped inside and was immediately transported to a different era. He learned to live in the present moment, finding joy in the simple things around him and cherishing his loved ones. He discovered that although his life was ticking backwards, it was still full of beauty and wonder. And in the end, that's all that really mattered. He found it hard to connect with people whose lives were still moving forward. Do you ever wish you could turn back time and do things differently? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Till next time, take care. He couldn't participate in daily activities or conversations about current events without feeling disconnected. He was living in a world that was quickly passing him by. The shop was filled with old clocks of all shapes and sizes, their hands frozen in time. He'd take it out, examine its hands moving backwards, then put it back, trying to understand its mystery. Then something extraordinary happened. As he focused on the watch, he noticed that his own internal clock was also shifting. His sleep cycle changed. He found himself sleeping later and waking up earlier. His appetite vanished and he skipped meals without realizing. Days turned into weeks, and Philip's life started to mirror the watch's strange rhythm. As he gazed at the collection, something caught his eye. In the corner, hidden beneath a pile of dusty clocks, was a small wooden box with a keyhole. Curiosity piqued, Philip turned the key. The box opened, revealing an exquisite pocket watch unlike any he had ever seen before. It was crafted from pure gold and silver, its face adorned with intricate patterns. As he held it in his hands, he felt an inexplicable connection to the watch, as if it were calling out to him. So without further ado, let's get into the story. In the bustling city of New York, there lived a successful businessman named Philip. One day, while exploring the city, Philip stumbled upon a peculiar antique shop tucked away on a quiet street. But what truly set this watch apart was the way it kept time. Instead of ticking forward, it seemed to tick backwards. Confused and intrigued in equal measure, Philip slipped the watch into his pocket and left the shop. As the days passed, Philip found himself drawn to the watch. At first, he was alarmed by these changes, but soon he realized they were not unpleasant. His body felt lighter, his mind sharper. However, as time went on, Philip started to feel the downsides of living backward. Determined to regain control over his life, Philip went back to the antique shop, hoping to return the watch and restore his normal life. As his condition worsened, Philip realized he couldn't keep living like this. With no other options left, Philip decided to embrace his unusual existence. So I'll ask you, have you ever felt like your life is moving too fast or too slow?